Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for joining me for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. So if you're looking for inspiration to thrift your house into a home, you've come to the right channel. So with a little patience, some DIY, and some lucky finds, you too can create a beautiful home on a budget. So let's be inspired and let's go thrifting. Today's video, I'm going to show you my office, how I'm going to maximize the style a little bit more. So let's jump right in. So here is I call Cloffice, my closet office. And if you recall, I did a video on how I made this over. This is a space that's 3 by 5, and it was a junky closet that I turned into my office after I cleaned it out and decided to give it the new stylish look that it has. Now don't get me wrong, I absolutely love this space. But you know, when you're a maximalist, you want to add more color, more textures, more styles, more something. There's always a little bit something more you want to add. Now I'm not going to crowd my shelves because I don't want to put too much up there. I've been very good at keeping it organized in here, and I plan to keep it that way. I had a few paintings that I couldn't get rid of, so I decided to hang them in this office and give myself a small wall gallery. Added some faux plants and flowers for more pops of color. And now I maximize my look in this room. So yeah, there's a lot of eye candy going around this room, but believe it or not, this is what brings me joy. Mixing colors, mixing styles, mixing patterns, it all makes everything very interesting for this space. This is where I have my calmness, my sanctuary, where I get to work and be creative. So I wanted it all in this one room. As I mentioned, this space is only 3 feet by 5 feet, and it is small, but it's maximized with style. I have incorporated a look that I love, and it makes me feel comfortable in here, and it gives me still the space that I need. So if you have a small space that you're interested in giving it some character and you want to do it on a budget, I hope this has inspired you. Think outside the box and grow with your style. And to have a beautiful space, just remember, it doesn't have to break the bank. I hope you liked this video. If you did, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop me a comment and also share. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video, and thank you again for tuning in. Happy hunting!